a very popular option is recirc water. What that's for is humidity chambers. So humidity chambers require a certain quality of water for them to operate reliably. And some customers don't have the ability to have that high quality water. And they also don't have a water supply to connect to the chamber. So the recirc water system takes care of that. And it has a tank, a 5-gallon tank, that can be filled with just ordinary tap water. And then it has a demineralizer cartridge that takes out those minerals that could cause issues to the humidity system. So it's the whole package so that you don't have to worry about the type of water being used except just using tap water. And it can operate for several hours, maybe even over a weekend, just running off the tank water.